Hey guys, welcome to MNMM PTE NAATI YouTube channel. Today I am going to share about how to get 50 each in PTE exam. So a lot of students, your requirement is just 50 each. So this video is specifically for you. What should you do? What topics should you prepare? So that you can get your 50 each in the least possible time and you do not waste a lot of time in doing what you shouldn't be doing. So the first things first that I want to share is, if you want 50 each in PT, obviously out of 90 in all 4 sections, then what you should be doing according to me is these topics. Number 1 is read aloud. Second, I would say repeat sentences. Third, I would say is describe image. Retell, which is retell lecture. So pretty much entire speaking section, because there are 5 topics and I'm asking you to do 4 of them. So you can say that you're still preparing the speaking section as any other student who even wants a 90 each. But then after these 4 topics, what you should be preparing is reading blanks, which is fill in the blanks reading in reading section. Then reading plus writing fill in the blanks, which is fill in the blanks reading writing again in reading section. So I'm just writing reading plus writing blanks. So these 2 topics you will prepare in reading section, and then again another 2 topics, which is summarize spoken text. I've just written the short form SST, and write from dictation, which is the last topic of the exam, again from listening section. So these 2 from listening section, these 2 from reading section, and these 4 from speaking section. So you must be wondering that what about writing section, summarize written text and essay. If you are aiming for 50 each, there is no need to prepare those topics because you're still contributing towards your writing section. How? Reading and writing fill in the blanks contributes heavily to writing section. Summarize spoken text contributes heavily to writing section, and write from dictation is like the masterpiece. It contributes like a lot to the writing section. So these 3 questions will contribute a lot to the writing section as well. So don't worry. If you prepare these 8 topics out of the 20 topics in PT, 50 each is the minimum you will get. You will get actually way more than 50. Don't worry. I haven't given you the plan just so that you can barely make it to 50. You'll get way more than 50 each, but you have to make sure that these 8 topics are prepared solid, are prepared well, and you've put in a lot of efforts to prepare those topics. Now, if you have time and you want to prepare more topics, obviously that's not an issue. You can prepare summarize written text, you can prepare fill in the blanks listening, you can prepare highlight incorrect words. That's not an issue. You can also prepare these 3 topics for more scores if you want. But if you prepare these 8 topics, it's more than enough. So that is what I wanted to share for students who need 50 each. If you are not aware of how to solve any of these topics, the videos are available on our channel for every single topic. We've made a detailed video on how to solve that topic, about the characteristics of that topic, weightage, and every detail is there on the channel. Topic wise videos are uploaded. You should first thing is watch the video of that topic so that you have an understanding of that topic, and then the next thing is you should start practicing. So what should be the next step after you finish your practice? Feel free to book one-on-one consultations with us. It can be 30 minutes consultation, as minimum as 30 minutes, and you can go up to an hour or even more consultations if you feel you need them. So the easiest way to get in touch with us is using Facebook Messenger or Instagram. Just search for our channel's name, which is MNMM PTE NAATI, and you'll find us and you can text us, and we're more than happy to see if we can fit you in our schedule and we can have a consultation with you. Now, why to book consultations? The thing is, you have practiced enough, but you also need feedback, especially for speaking section. Somebody should listen to you and give you feedback and let you know if you're doing the correct thing, if you are on the right path, or if you need any improvements. So for that, consultation plays a major role. So it can be for NAATI, it can be for PT. Just get in touch with us and we are more than happy to help you. And if you are preparing for NAATI as well, we do have a prediction file available for NAATI Hindi, Gujarati and Punjabi, wherein we have a lot of exam dialogues in that prediction file along with the vocabulary, which is enough for you to pass your exam. Let us know if we can help you with that. With that, I'll take your leave. Prepare these topics only if you're after 50 each, and let us know if we can get in touch with you and help you more. Thank you for now.